before I get too far ahead, I wanted to show you when I take my backhoe off of here, the first few times I put it down, and then by the time I need it again and go to hook it up, the landing gear or the outriggers are all spread maxed out. They've lost all their fluid pressure, and it's down to the ground on there. So what I've been doing here lately is, at the time that I take it off and unhook it all and go to store it, I just wrap a little chain from one landing gear to the other, like that. You know, I just wrap it around the leg there, over to this side. I got a link there that I just throw a bolt through, and it just sits just like that. It stays put. That doesn't mean that the bucket is going to do that, or this arm here is going to do that, but I've put them, I tried to make this as vertical as I could, and I had the bucket all the way curled in hopes that it would just sit there and not be in a position that it would need to bleed off anything, and it appears that it hasn't. So that's pretty cool. But I just thought I'd show you that, just an idea if anybody's having that same issue, and it could be something simple like that. Okay, now that I've got it pretty much lined up, now I got to come around on the other side here. Relieve the pressure in the hydraulics so we don't get no surprises. Taking a little WD-40 and kind of washing this all off. Just in case there's dirt and crud in there. I don't want to get a bunch of that stuff in my hydraulic system. We're hooked up, so now we'll just ease it back into place and get that hook under that peg. Do that on both sides there, and then we will do the rest out here with the hydraulic controls on the backhoe. Well, that's pretty easy, hooking up this backhoe. Once you get it lined up square with the backhoe itself, it goes on pretty easy. I've got this pile of limbs and brush that Cisco doesn't like. He wants me to get rid of it. It's in the middle of his yard. We trimmed this tree, and I need to get rid of this brush. Let's go get that grapple hooked up and move this out of the way. Okay, well, I got rid of the pile of limbs, so that was easy.